welcome to the Up&UnderSports Outdoor Explorer Challenge. You've just entered the water and ice zone. And for these challenges, we're going to be working with, yeah, you've guessed it, water and ice. But if we're going to be working with ice, things are going to need to get a lot colder. And I think I need to change out of my shorts and into something a bit warmer. Good luck, everyone. Go outside and see if you can find the biggest piece of ice you can. I've just found some on my run. Have a look. It's pretty cold. Using stuff from your house or garden, see if you can make something that collects water. We've decided to make a rain catcher. Let's see if it works. I think we've got some work to do. Go and find your local river. If you're not sure where it is, use a map and find it. Find 2 great sticks and place some poo sticks. Let's have a look which one wins. There we are. Find a safe space and have a go at skimming some stones. Pretty good, but I bet you can do better than me. What's the best type of rock to use when skimming stones? Why don't you try a few different shapes and sizes and see which ones work best? Good luck. We've made a waterfall out of Duplo blocks and Tupperware. Can you make a waterfall using stuff in your garden or house? Let's see if it works. That's pretty good. Good luck making yours.